I was making a video down at Sunshine the other day and I was talking to Rag, and he said that he really wanted to do the Sunshine Skatepark guide again, and so I said, yep, go for it.
Like, I always wanted to get Sunshine, but Joe already did it and gave it a really shit review, so we're here now. He should let me redo it.
What I'm going to let Rag do is I'm going to let him do a voiceover on my skatepark guide, and so he did a voiceover over the top of my one. So first of all, I'll show you my original version. Here it is, and then after that we'll play the other version that he made. So here you go. 1 minute skatepark guide, Sunshine, Victoria. The park's name is Sunvale Skatepark. Fancy, isn't it? I woke up early to film this one, before the riffraff arrived, as it can get quite rowdy down here on the weekends, with the kids that have no idea riding around on their electric scooters in the skate park. The park is very new, and it's a nice skate park, if everything is waxed up. There aren't any big transitions, but it's more of a technical park, good for grinding, and there's a couple of small jumps. As you can see from the big burnout marks, somebody has entered the park on their dirt bike. I'm never surprised at Sunshine Skatepark. The grind box and poles are nice and long, and the diameter of steel is perfect. The concrete is still really slippery, so you can do some good cess slides. This park is great fun and definitely worth a roll. I give it 3 VBs out of the 6-pack. Alright, that was my version, which I made in 2019. My feelings have changed a little bit since then. I might give it an extra half a can, I reckon, maybe 3.5 now if I redid it now. And you know, I've got some, I've learned a lot more things at this skate park, so I like it a lot more. But I still stay true to what I said because you know, it's got everything you need, but it could do with a few bigger things there. But anyway, great skate park, love it. My skate park guide rating is based on what it has, not how much I like it, if that makes sense. It's more about, does it have a bowl? No, it doesn't have a bowl. So, you know, you got to, does it have a mini ramp? No, it doesn't have a mini ramp. So you got to do it that way. Otherwise you can be a bit biased, and I need to keep it unbiased as possible. So that's what I've done. But here's Rag's version, which is biased, but that's why I love it. So enjoy. Thanks, Rag, for submitting this.
Sunshine Skatepark. It's fucking sick. I'm a local, so I'm going to have bias towards this place. The worst part about it's probably this thing. I can't do anything on it, but Joe did. It's actually called Sunvale, but you know, we all call it Sunny. It's got a nice little rainbow with a curb on it. A nice curved quarter pipe with a love seat. This thing's trash. I'm not even going to talk about it. The hydrant's kind of fun to jump over. There's nice little ledges next to it. There's a couple of gaps around the place if you're, you know, interested in trying to find that type of stuff. This ledge is sick. It's one of my favorites. But this is the creme de la creme. I love this rail. It is so sick. It goes for ages. It's the right height. It's the right thickness. It's sick. The ledge is pretty good too. Tombstone used to be good back when it had a bit of an edge on it. And this thing I don't think is there anymore because someone skated it and broke it. But anyway, because it's my local, I'm going to give it fucking 6 VBs out of the 6-pack. Because fuck Joe and his original rating. This place saved me through COVID. Have a good one. Bye.